Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a beginner-friendly trampoline workout, beginner moves that you can do. Recently got a trampoline and I got this one that has a removable handle, which is perfect for beginners because you have something to hold on to. Once you take off the handle, this doesn't really take a lot of space. The reason why I like the trampoline and I suggest it for people who are starting their fitness journey at home is because it's very soft on the joints. So you see, a lot of people recommend running and I like running. However, my ankles sometimes do not. And I know that it takes a little bit of strengthening and that's okay, we can work on that. But when we're starting our fitness journey, we don't want to let that stop us and hold us back. So this is something that you can incorporate. It's gonna help you engage your core. It's gonna help you learn how to bounce off of your foot without hurting it. I got a 40-inch trampoline because it's smaller, and I live in an apartment, so I wanted to make sure that it fits. It comes with different elastics to put around, so you can really customize how tough you want the jump to be. So I have it at a medium setting, so it's gonna be a little bit more challenging. How can we incorporate this into the routine is by doing 15 to 20 minutes on it every single day. You're gonna play good music with a good beat. You're gonna try to have fun. I'm gonna link this down below in the description so you can check out the one that I got. I usually put a super hype playlist and I just dance around on it, incorporating some of the moves that I'm gonna show you today. I'm gonna do a 10-minute workout, super easy, and I'm gonna take you through all the steps that you can do and how to incorporate this. When it comes to jumping on the trampoline, where a lot of women are a little bit self-conscious is because they feel like you're gonna use your core too much and it can cause leakage, which I understand. Always run it by your doctor, of course, but it's important to know the proper form. So what happens is we tend to be in this position where our hips are not tucked. When you're jumping, I want you to bring those hips in and squeeze the glutes, okay? And we're engaging our core and we're thinking of this being a stable base. So instead of just jumping like this, right? Which you can do, it's fun. There's no contraction here. It's different than this. It's a little bit tighter at the top, and that's why we can add the arms right here. So again, important to keep good form to prevent issues with your pelvic floor. Please remember to keep a soft bend on your knees at all times. You don't want to fall on straight knees. All right, let's get started. First, we need to warm up. So we're gonna start right here. I want you to just focus on doing a little bit of jumping. The heels are barely leaving the mat, okay? So we're just lightly bouncing. You can hold on. All right. Next, I want you to incorporate a little bit of your arms right here. Same thing. You're bringing your feet a little bit in front of the other, doing a little shuffle right here, or you can just jump and alternate your weight a little bit. So remember, right here. All right, we're still on the warm up. We're gonna do a little bit arm circles, one way. Keep your core engaged, other way. If this is too much for you, just keep jumping, keep bouncing. All right, now we're gonna start with the actual workout. So right here, we're warming up our ankles, right here. You're lifting and going to your toe, like that. Keep your core engaged. Remember, all right, side to side, right here. With the side to side, you're bouncing off the weight from one foot to the other, swinging your hips. All right, you're using the handle to barely hold on. All right, twist. Engage your core. You don't have to twist too much. Just enough. If this hurts your back in any way, I want you to stay safe. Right here, jumping jacks. We're not adding the arms. Again, you can hold on. You absolutely got this. You're doing amazing. Okay. Heel to toe. It's like a little shuffle. Tap your heel. We're halfway through, almost. We're gonna do the basic jump. This is your basic. This is where I want you to stay for the next 30 seconds. Heels are barely leaving the mat for 15 more seconds. All right, we're gonna do again, side to side, right here. Holding on. Bend those knees, keep a bend on the knees. All right, shuffle right here. Add those arms. All right, jumping jacks. Remember, soft knees. Heel to toe. You can hold on. You got this. We're gonna twist. Remember, core engaged. Basic jump. We're gonna calm down for a little bit. Heels are barely leaving the mat. Soft little jumps. And now we're gonna freestyle. You're gonna incorporate all the movements you just learned. Heel to toe, jumping jacks. Heel to toe, this is an easy combo. Jumping jacks, heel to toe. All right, let's do twist. All right, side to side, side to side, side to side. Have fun with it. If you're playing some good music, you'll barely feel it. Add the arms right here. All right, we're cooling down. Heels are barely leaving the mat. We're cooling down. Bringing that heart rate down. We're doing a little running place. We're almost there. Almost there. Come on, 10 seconds left. Bounce it. Yay! You did it. Those are the basic moves that you can do with a trampoline. Let me know if you want to see more. Before we go, I want you to stretch and take a moment. So I want you to take your foot here. We're gonna do a little bit of a hamstring stretch. If having your leg straight hurts, it's okay to bend down a little bit and sit back down onto your back leg and stretch it out. Foot here, sit back down and stretch. Even if you twist a little bit, it's gonna help you stretch that leg. Calf raises to help us relieve those calves. A little bit of ankle movements right here. You can also lift your leg slightly right here. Good job. To stretch the quads. You can also hold on here and bring that knee a little bit up, press it up. There you go. Feel that stretch on the quads. The quads are the ones that are gonna be feeling it the most. Okay, and you just did a quick 10-minute cardio session that is very low impact. It's gonna get you sweating, okay? Try adding these movements, try practicing them individually, and then you can just freestyle while you listen to some music. All right, thank you so much for watching. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all of your support, and I will see you next time, okay? Bye.